So my mom is now going to do the cinnamon challenge. This is my mom. Hey. Extra promotion for my show Wednesday night.
Camp Radio.
Camp.arizona.edu at 8 p.m. on Wednesdays. So my mom's got her cinnamon. She's gonna do it. So.
I'll try to just spit cinnamon all over you.
Just do it like
Off that way.
Do it, yeah. Okay, go. Good to go. Get it all down. Get it all down. She's crying. She suggested this. She's crying.
Going down. Yes. No, you said I'm not support.
My biggest fan. You good?
I'm good.
Apparently, the wolves are really good at the cinnamon challenge.